Hey everyone, listen up. There is a huge change coming to India's PAN card system, and it could affect you a lot sooner than you might think. So if you already have a PAN card or you know you're going to need one in the near future, you'll definitely want to pay close attention.
For years, getting a PAN card has been pretty straightforward, right? Your Aadhaar was basically the one key document you needed. But is all of that about to change?
Yep, the answer is a clear and simple yes. So you're going to want to circle April 1st, 2026 on your calendar, because that's when the rules of the game change in a big way. The old, simpler process we've all gotten used to, it's on its way out.
So here's the change in a nutshell. Right now, and all the way through March 31st, 2026, your Aadhaar card is all you need to get the process started. But from April 1st, 2026 onwards, that all changes. You'll still need your Aadhaar, but you'll also need to provide a separate, official document just to prove your date of birth.
So, what's the deal with this change? Is it just more paperwork for the sake of it? Not really. This is a very deliberate push by the government to create a much more secure and transparent financial system for everyone. If you look at the official goals, it all starts to make sense. They're trying to tackle several key issues here. They want to make financial dealings more transparent, boost the overall security of the PAN system, and, this is a big one, crack down on fraud, like fake or duplicate PAN cards. The thinking is, with stronger verification up front, the whole process actually becomes faster and more reliable down the line.
Okay, so let's get to the most important part. What does this actually mean for you? Well, the impact is a little different depending on whether you're applying for a brand new card or if you're one of the millions who already have one. So if you already have a PAN card sitting in your wallet, you're probably wondering, do I really need to go through the hassle of applying for a new one?
And here's the good news, no. You absolutely do not need to apply for a new card. Your existing PAN card will still be valid. But, and this is a really important but, there's a pretty significant catch you need to be aware of.
And this is the catch. It's a new name matching rule. From April 2026, the name on your PAN card has to be an exact match to the name on your Aadhaar. I mean, down to every last letter, every initial, and every bit of spelling. For example, let's say your Aadhaar says Ashutosh Kumar and your PAN says the exact same thing. You're all good. You're in the clear. But if your PAN card just has an initial, like A. Kumar, that's going to be considered a mismatch. So honestly, it's probably a good idea to check your documents right now. If they don't line up perfectly, you'll want to get that sorted out before the deadline to avoid any headaches later.
Okay, so what about all the new applicants? If you or maybe someone in your family needs to get a PAN card after that deadline, what will you need to have ready? Well, you'll need that separate proof of your date of birth, and thankfully, there's a whole list of documents they'll accept. This includes things like your birth certificate, voter ID, your 10th grade mark sheet or certificate, your driving license, or even your passport. So, you've got several options to choose from. This brings us to the deadline itself. It might be tempting to put this off, but in this case, acting before March 31st, 2026 is by far the simpler and easier way to go.
Just think about it this way. Right now, we're in the easy way period. You can get a PAN with just your Aadhaar. But as soon as that calendar flips to April 1st, 2026, we enter the new way, which is going to require more documents and, well, more steps.
And it's not just about needing an extra document. The application forms themselves are also going to be updated and they're going to get more complex. So, by applying before the deadline, you get to use the current, simpler form and completely sidestep that new process.
If you zoom out a bit, this seems to be part of a bigger trend. Having all your official documents organized and perfectly in sync is becoming more and more important for all kinds of national processes where proving your identity is everything.
So what's the ultimate takeaway from all this? It's really simple. If you, your child who's turning 18, or any other family member is going to need a PAN card in the next couple of years, the easiest, fastest, and most straightforward time to do it is right now.
And that really just leaves us with one last thing to think about. This whole update is about syncing up your PAN and Aadhaar. But what about the rest of your official identity? Your passport, your driver's license, your bank records? Are all of your documents in perfect sync? It's definitely something to think about.